Now, today is a very special day on the channel because it is my third child's first birthday. And I bet I didn't tell you that I had a third child, did I? You're going to meet her today, but before you do, hello, I'm Mrs. Soap and Clay. Let's make stuff. So today is a really fun day because it is the first birthday of my third child. And I guess you probably didn't know that I had a third child. And I'm going to introduce her to you right now. Maybe. Ah! You're so good. You're so good. Can I come back around so I can hold you? Oh, good girl. Good girl, yes. You're so good. You're amazing. Are you excited to be part of this video today? Yeah? You're excited? Oh, thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses. You're so good. You're such a good girl. This is Penelope, and it is her first birthday today. Hi. Yes. Oh, you're so good. You're so good. Yes, you are. Do you want that? Oh, you're so good. You're so good. This is Miss Penny, and she is 1 year old today. Now, she is our Danish puppy, and she is amazing and just the greatest puppy in the whole entire world. We love her so much. She's been our shop dog for a very long time. And, oh, good girl. And so today on the channel, I'm going to be making something for her. I'm going to be showing you how we make pet shampoo. You have to be careful with shampoo that you're making for dogs, right? Because again, the pH is a factor. Their skin is wildly different than ours, as well as, obviously their coat versus our hair. And so you really do have to pay attention to the things that you put in, as well as the essential oils that you're going to put in too, because there are a lot of essential oils that are not safe for dogs. So we're going to get into all of that within the video. So let's go check it out. Okay, super short video, but a lot goes in the back end, just like with, formulating human shampoo recipes. And so first up is the lye solution. Now, this has been subbed out for the water. It's 100% aloe vera substitution instead of distilled water. And we do that for the softening as well as for the, it lowers the pH of the bar just a little bit, which is, good. And in addition to that, we are using essential oils that are safe for dogs. So this guy here, it is chamomile and lavender, both calming. I have had many dogs in my life, and I have never had one that actually enjoys the bath. And so the calming nature of both chamomile and lavender, good things for dogs. So I definitely put those in. Now in this solution here, we have kaolin clay, colloidal oatmeal, and baking soda. Now, baking soda is an interesting thing to add to the a dog shampoo formulation because it is going to help lower the pH of the bar, but it's also going to be really good for gentle cleansing for a pup, and it helps out with extra, de-smellums, which is awesome. Now, the oil blend that we use for this is karanja, hemp, argan, coconut, and babassu. Now, the karanja and the hemp are definitely going to help out with any sort of bug problems that you have, as well as sort of skin soothing problems, skin and coat soothing. And then the coconut, obviously, for the gentle cleanse, and the babassu is going to help with the moisturizing bit of all of it. So all good things for dog shampoo. Okay, now we are onto the pour, and yeah, we use cute little, pup molds for the pup shampoos. And I love the size of these guys. So each of the little, soaps last 2 baths for my very large dogs. I have the Dana by Penny, and it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Penny. She's 1 year old. And then I have an Old English Bulldog who sits at about 85 pounds, so he's a big guy too. And yeah, they last, each of these little shampoos last 2 baths, and we sell them in like 5 packs, right? So that's a lot of bathing for, you know, your pup. And with a dog shampoo, you have to be careful. Dogs' skin is actually more on the neutral side than human skin. We have very slightly acidic skin actually as humans, and dogs kind of sit neutral to kind of alkaline, so anywhere between like 7 and almost 9 depending on any sort of conditions or, you know, the type of dog or whatever. So you do need to be careful and keep that in mind when formulating a shampoo bar, but that's also true of any product for anything really. So yeah, this particular blend, it does lower the pH a bit, and also it has all of the really skin softening and skin soothing ingredients in it that will really help out with the bath time. So you're going to get the big bubble, you're going to get the good cleansing, but it's also going to be softening the skin and, you know, the coat rather, and helping out with any sort of skin problems, especially the karanja oil. Karanja oil is great for any sort of itchiness and bug problems. So is the hemp, and those are oils that I love including in a dog shampoo recipe, just because, you know, our dogs, when they're outside and they're milling around or whatever, they're more likely to get, you know, fleas or ticks or anything than we are, for example. And so if that's the case, you know, we definitely want to keep them nice and healthy and not itchy, because it would suck to run around itching all the time. And this helps, along with the baking soda, and it helps with relieve the itchies as well. So all good things. Okay, so these guys have set up overnight. I did not actually pop them. There's not a real need to. The bars set up really quickly just because of the coconut oil and the babassu in them, and aren't they just super cute? I love them. Now, because of the aloe as well as the baking soda can react with the lye and actually render some of the lye inert, which is why I actually add the baking soda after emulsification has been achieved, so we don't have that issue. A lot of people do put the baking soda in a hot process recipe, but I haven't experienced any issues doing it in cold process, so I do the thing. But because of these extra additives in here, really, I do make sure these get a reasonably long cure, and so I want them to cure for around 6 weeks before I sell. And well, with these, I am going to show you, you know, the actual lather of them right away, even though they haven't reached their full, you know, cure potential. So they are soft, but you can get an idea of what the lather is going to be like regardless. So here is the lather on a very fresh bar of soap, and as you can see, it's a nice creamy lather. It's very, very moisturizing, but it has the good cleansing properties as well. I love the tiny tight bubbles in this. It's just so delightful. And the chamomile and the lavender blend really does help calm down my pups in the bath, and all of it keeps their skin nice and soft, keeps their coat nice and soft, which is good. My pups in particular, they only get bathed about once a month. That may or may not be good, you know, pup information these days, but that's how often my dogs will tolerate it, so that's what we do. And yeah, that's a day 103 dog shampoo. Well, that does it for today's video. It's pet shampoo, and it's amazing. Yes, hello. Hello, do you want some food? Oh, good job. And Penny loves it. It works really well for her and her coat, which is very, very good. And yes, do you need a bath? Do you need a bath? Oh my goodness, you're so heavy. You're so big. You are so big. Oh my gosh, you're amazing. You're amazing. Your breath smells good. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, you're so good. You're such a good girl. Yes. Look at that tongue. Yeah, so as you can see, her coat, nice and shiny, absolutely beautiful. We have no problems with any sort of, oh my goodness, with any sort of itching or anything like that. And, you know, obviously because the karanja oil and everything in there, it also helps out with keeping the bugs and everything at bay. In the summertime, it gets a little bit rough out there with all the mosquitoes and the gnats and everything and all the bites that can occur. And we don't have issues with that, do we? No, we don't. So if you're interested in the pet shampoo, you can totally find it on the website. Are you gonna get down at any point? Are you tired? Do you wanna hop down? Do you wanna hop down? You don't wanna hop down? Yeah, so you can find the pet shampoo on the website at soapandclay.com. Good girl. You can find the pet shampoo on the website, soapandclay.com. If you are interested in following me on social media, I'm there, do the things. I actually post pictures of Penelope pretty often. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And if you're interested in more soapy antics that may or may not involve me getting drooled on by my Dana, subscribe to the channel. We are here every single day doing this, as the name 365 Days of Soap might suggest. And yeah, that pretty much does it for me. Make sure to wish Penelope a happy first birthday today, and I will see you guys all again tomorrow. Bye.